Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new. If you're new, I'd really appreciate if you hit that subscribe button to join my YouTube family. Finally filming my baby girl's big girl room tour. I just uploaded recently kind of like the whole transformation and nesting vlog of transforming this room into her big girl room, but I didn't do a full tour. I'm going to share with you guys where I got everything. I will also try to link as much as I can in the description box. I did get a lot of little like decor pieces from like Winners, Marshalls, and HomeSense, so they don't really have obviously an online store, but if I can find even some dupes, and I'll just try to link as much as I can. I'm so happy with how everything looks. It turned better than I imagined, and my daughter absolutely loves it, and it makes me so happy just seeing her so excited. So we are currently going to be in the process of switching her over into this room. And speaking of, I am actually currently just a couple weeks postpartum because baby boy is finally here. I was actually working on this room the day I went into labor, like doing the finishing touches, so I haven't had time obviously to film the full room tour. Thumbs it up also if you guys want to see the room tour for baby boy's new nursery, because that is pretty much done as well. Let's just get into the tour. Of course, when you walk in, behind me, as you guys will see, is just her accent wall and where her bed is, like the main kind of like focal point of the room, and I am so happy with how it turned out. So let's start over with this side of the room. So when you walk in, this is the first that you will see, starting first with the bed. We were actually gifted this bed by Monty Design, and we have been eyeing this bed for ages, and it is amazing. I feel like that's an understatement. If you guys want to see my transformation vlog video, you can kind of see how we made it. It's super simple. You don't need any tools. It takes just a few minutes. Obviously, this is my daughter's first big girl bed, so I really wanted something that's good quality. The materials are really great as well, and I really was picky on the bed, and I am obsessed with this one. I will link it down below. I ended up going with their Dorma bed, and we did get the bed in a full. You can customize it, so you can do different materials, different colors, of course, different styles. You can add guardrails or not. As you guys will see, we did add the 2 guardrails, which is perfect for your toddlers. You can even customize the feet, which we ended up doing the light maple color. I love that like light oak wood color, and it matches perfectly. We ended up getting the brushed cotton linen material in their color beach, the piping in white. It's really good quality material. It's a lot more healthy for you. Everything about this bed is just absolutely amazing. Like, I want one for myself. It is so comfortable. The guardrails also come off, so when she gets older, it will grow with you. And the bed's just super comfortable, soft. It's just perfect for your little toddler. I ended up getting the high headboard, and I went with the lower footboard height, but you can do higher if you would like. Everything, like I said, is super customizable depending on what you kind of want. Bedding, we went with just some nice little pinks. I got this cotton muslin bedding, and then bow just accent decor pillow. The bedding and everything is actually from HomeSense, and Marshalls has the same thing. Winners, if you guys are from Canada. Our mattress that we have underneath is from Monty Design as well. If you ever have to sleep with your toddler because they maybe like want you there, or they're not staying in bed, you could sleep with them. It is so comfortable. I did want to get something more neutral, just because I knew I was gonna have a lot of pink in the room. And also, if I did want, I can even have this for baby boy when he gets older as well. I really just love the like neutral color. I think it fits perfectly and goes with the room. Let's talk about the main character, the accent wall. If you haven't watched my transformation video, you wouldn't know that these moldings were pretty much already pre-made, and they're stick-ons bought from Amazon. Had really great reviews. It's been up for a little bit now, and it has been staying. It looks really good. It looks super professional. I'm gonna probably do this for my bedroom as well. I'm obsessed with it, and it was actually very affordable. It just really elevates the room. I feel like having this accent wall makes it look so much more luxurious than it really is, because it's just stick-on molding, and we just went ahead and painted it the same color as the wall. So it comes in a white, obviously, and then if you want it to match the color of your wall, whether that's white, you can just keep it white, or if you have like any sort of color, you just color it on top. You have to color it, not color it, I mean paint on top of the molding, but you definitely have to paint it a couple of times because it's kind of like plasticky a little bit. So it needs to definitely be painted a couple times, and then once it dries, it looks so, so good. Even up close, everything, it looks amazing. Ended up putting wall sconces, which I think adds such a nice luxurious touch. These wall sconces were from HomeSense. Comes with a remote control, so it's like warm tone or cool tone. It just comes with these white ribbed lampshades, and then it goes down to the gold accent with the bow. When you turn it on at night, it's such a vibe. Next over here, we have her nightstand. I ended up picking these up from Wayfair, and they were really affordable, and I think these are super fun and girly, and they're just really good for a little toddler. I did get this in the white color. It came with a bunch of colors. I think they even had pink, maybe a green one, but I thought I would go with white. The only thing I changed on these nightstands is the handles, and that's a great way to elevate any furniture. So I picked these up from Marshall's, made it look so much nicer than the little knobs that it came with. Just pulls everything together. Now let's move on to this section of the room. Okay, so I had the hardest time finding a dresser that was big enough. This one is from Wayfair as well. It was a little more pricey than I wanted to spend on a dresser, but I fell in love with it. I love this like light oak wood. The knobs came with it, and I actually really like them, so I didn't end up switching them out. I just thought these were perfect just to do like a little gold knob. I didn't want to do those again. I thought it would be too much. So I kind of like how this is simple. Really love the scallop detailing lately on furniture. I think it goes perfectly as well with the nightstand. It just comes with like bigger drawers here on the bottom. And what I really liked actually was having like the smaller drawers here. A bigger one here is actually where I put her hair ties and stuff. And then a smaller one over here as well, because I feel like the small ones come in handy to add like socks or underwear, things like that. One of the things I fell in love with that I found is this mirror. This mirror is so gorgeous. I found it at HomeSense, which is equivalent to Home Goods if you are from the United States. I love the rustic gold detail, love the bow on the top. I thought it was perfect, super feminine and girly, and I thought it went really well. This is definitely probably gonna change and switch out a bunch. We don't have too much. I just went ahead and put this tray. It was actually really affordable, also from HomeSense. And then we just have little knickknacks like her little piggy bank, another little jewelry holder with her initial, a little bow glass holder, and this is just like rosary that she got from her baptism. Just little knickknacks for now. It obviously will change depending on what we get over time. Over on this side, once again, little knickknacks. Oh, this is actually the remote for the lights, which you guys will have already seen, but super easy. You could change the settings, but this is really great to add jewelry or even hair ties. I'm gonna really add. Same with this. I got these also from HomeSense. So like I said, most of the little decor from like HomeSense, Winners, and Marshalls. But for now, we're just gonna keep this here. And then we just have her toonie box. Is that what it is? We still haven't really used that. I just kept it there for now. Next to the dresser, I just have this bow basket from HomeSense. And that's kind of just like her laundry bin where I'm gonna put her dirty clothes and dirty towels. We ended up changing out her light fixture. This one fits perfectly. It just has gold accents because as you guys can see, we did really do a lot of gold accents. And then I love the little lampshades because they had that scallop girly detail. And we actually picked this up from Wayfair, and it's super, super affordable. I saw it online in someone else's room, and I just fell in love with it and had to pick it up for my daughter's room. This area I feel like is the fun area. I love how this turned out. We love to read books every single night and before nap time. This one is from Wayfair. It comes in a bunch of colors. Comes in like that nice green color, a white. It comes also in this pink, which works perfectly with her wall. I'm so happy I went with the pink because I was going between the white and the pink. This is where we keep her dolls, of course. We have her little ice cream VTech toy there that she loves. This bench is the Calyx bench or organizer from IKEA. Super affordable. We got it in the oak, like light wood color. It comes in a white and a black too, I believe. The only thing I want is I do want to find a bench kind of cushion here. I know there's some on Amazon, but they're a little, to me, overpriced, so I'm kind of on the lookout. These are just little bins that have a bunch of like little toys. I don't have too many toys in her room, but we do have some that she can play with. And I love these like wickered kits. So these are from Amazon. I didn't really like the ones from IKEA. I love these ones so much more. I love how they're just super easy to pull out, but you can hide kind of like toys. This pillow actually my sister-in-law made, and then we have these other pillows I believe are from like HomeSense, Marshalls and that. I have this photo that actually came from her nursery. We just switched it over, and then I picked up a few other artwork pieces. I really love what this says, so I had to pick it up and buy it for her. I love little cute quotes. I've always loved that. And then over here, I thought this just match perfectly with her room. Down here, we just have these two little white shelves. These shelves are from IKEA. They were super affordable. A lot of her stuff that says her name on it. Kind of like her little cute stuff that I want displayed. Then over here, we just have the curtains, which definitely need a steam. I ended up going with the pink curtains from Amazon, and then I went with just a simple gold bar. That's from Umbra, I believe. This window is a little harder because it's such a small window, so only one fits. Don't love that. It is what it is, but I love that I went with the pink. I just think the pink's really fun and girly. And then on this wall is her other photo that used to be in her nursery. This right here I thought was super fun. So it's like a cute little seating area, but also it's gonna be great for storage, which we added a little bit more of her toys here. It just fits perfectly with her theme, and I just like having storage that you can't really see. The last section over here, this I ended up picking up from HomeSense as well, with the wood and just the bow handles, and I put her little purses and backpacks here. I thought that was really fun because she loves a dress up. I might do like get a little rack and do some dress up clothes because she's been really into that, and I think that would be a good addition to add into her room. That is overall the room. Over here is just her closet. Over there is just her bathroom. We really haven't added too much into it yet. That is the room tour. I will link as much as I can find links to in the description box for you guys. So if you guys are just curious and like certain things in the room, then definitely check out my description box. But like I said, I am just so happy with how everything turned out. I had so much fun, honestly, just like doing this room and making it come to life and finding all the little pieces that go together. And I'm so happy that my daughter loves it too. But if you guys did want that nursery tour, make sure to thumbs it up, and don't forget to click the subscribe button. I would love for you guys to be a part of my YouTube family, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.